The Supreme Court today is going to be hearing the petitions against 3 new farm laws. The farmer associations are not looking at writing written reply to the cases today. In fact, Kisan and Prashant Bhushan are going to appear in the court to represent the farmer unions. In the previous hearing on 7th of December, the Supreme Court expressed its concern over the ongoing protests and observed that there was no improvement in the situation. Yesterday, farmer unions chaired an internal meeting, after which they said that the Apex Court of India has no role in the political deadlock and the court is being used as a political shield. Farmers further added that the issue pertains to political leadership, thus they should resolve it and the Supreme Court should not be dragged in the matter. This as during the ninth round of talks on Friday, the centre asked the farmers to follow legal route and made it clear that it will not roll back the laws until Supreme Court deems the laws illegal.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट अगर हमको बोलता है कि आप कहते हैं कि एक मीडिएशन के लिए कमेटी बना देते हैं, तो हमारा ये तय है कि मीडिएशन के लिए कमेटी हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है। ऑलरेडी 15 तारीख को गवर्नमेंट ने हमें बुलाया हुआ है। गवर्नमेंट के साथ हमारा डायलॉग जारी रहे और गवर्नमेंट ही हमारे साथ इस डायलॉग में रहे और फिर अगर और भी आप चाहते तो पार्लियामेंट डिस्कस करे इन चीज़ों को। पार्लियामेंट एज ए मीडिएटर ये 3 कानून को लेकर हमारे साथ डिस्कशन भी करें, मीडिएटर भी बने।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बारे में हम इतना ही कहेंगे कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के बारे में सरकार ने भी कहा था हमारे को कि आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाइए, तुम भी जाओ हम भी चलेंगे। तो हमने उनको स्पष्ट कह दिया था कि ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट का मैटर नहीं है, ये आपने कानून बनाए हैं, आप ही इस पर फैसला करोगे, आप ही की जिम्मेवारी बनती है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट को बीच में नहीं लाना चाहिए।
Rahul Srivastava now joins us with the very latest on this story. Rahul, good morning. If you could tell us what we're picking up in terms from the legal eagles in terms of the constitutional validity of these 3 farm laws as the Supreme Court goes on to hear the petitions against the 3 new farm laws today.
Good morning, Shaiti. You see, as far as the validity or the legality of the laws is concerned, the Supreme Court has the constitutional mandate to decipher the laws, interpret them, and perhaps even say whether they are valid. So one cannot step into the territory whether what the Supreme Court eventually is going to say. But what one can say is that the government seems very confident that the laws are legally tenable and they will stand the scrutiny of the Supreme Court. And that is why after a protracted discussion and negotiation rounds with the farmers, the government proposed the last time around on the 8th of January that the case can be taken to the Supreme Court. The farmers during the discussion said that if it goes to the Supreme Court, it will take a very long time. So the government said it is ready to propose to the Supreme Court through a petition that in case the case gets taken up to decide the validity of the laws, the court can go in for day-to-day hearing. But the farmers, as we heard just now, have a certain amount of reluctance. Now, this is a very piquant situation because at one level, the farmers are saying that these laws are illegal and they should be repealed. Now, the best authority in the country to decide the illegality of the laws is the Supreme Court of India. Now, this basically the problem here is that the farmers feel that a government can be pressurized politically and otherwise, as far as a bill or any other demand is concerned, whereas Supreme Court will be largely tackling this issue on the legal tenet. And that's where lies perhaps the problem for the farmers also, that in case the Supreme Court eventually says that the laws are valid and legal, can the farmers continue their protest? That will be a slightly problematic situation for them. Whereas the government feels confident, one, a long legal battle will mean that the farmers cannot escalate their protest because they will be legally bound and it will be a loss of faith in case they do escalate the protest, especially in view of the January 26th march into Delhi call. And that is why the government during the last round of talks was very keen that the issue can be sent to the Supreme Court. If valid, the government will repeal the laws. If the laws are held invalid and if they are held valid, the farmers should end the protest. So farmers are wary of the fact of the outcome in the courts, but they want to negotiate actually with the government.
All right, leave it at that, Rahul. Continue to stay with us right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.